Hi all, I am Shankar Prasad Dotto, a professional architect, presently head of the Department of Architecture in Sri Ramakrishna Institute of Science and Technology. Welcome to my today's session about false ceiling, suspended type under the subject Materials and Methods of Construction Part 3 of 5th semester Diploma Architecture. False ceiling suspended type is an additional ceiling which is hanging from the main ceiling or roof and supported on the side walls. This may be act as a decorative ceiling which can increase the aesthetic view of the interior space. False ceiling is also cover the structural members of the main ceiling and the ducting lines below the main ceiling, if any. It is also reducing the height of the room wherever required. False ceiling is also used for sound and thermal insulation purpose. There are various types of false ceiling. Wooden framed false ceiling, metallic framed false ceiling. Under metallic framed false ceiling, there are three types basically. False ceiling with GI galvanized iron framework, false ceiling with aluminium framework, false ceiling with stainless steel framework. Another special type of false ceiling, that is metallic channel false ceiling. Now we would like to start our discussion about wooden framed false ceiling. In this type of false ceiling, framework is not visible finally. A main framework, so this is concealed grid false ceiling. A main framework at 1200 mm center to center on both sides, made of wooden section of size 50 mm by 75 mm deep, has been suspended from the main ceiling by metallic iron hangers at 1200 mm apart on both ways. The aforesaid space of 1200 mm by 1200 mm formed by the main wooden frame, again subdivided by wooden runners of size 40 mm by 40 mm on both ways, to make the entire space in a grid of 600 mm by 600 mm. Now, the suspended framework to be covered with standard ceiling boards of size 600 mm by 600 mm, which are readily available in the market. There are various types of standard ceiling boards such as asbestos cement ceiling board, decorative type ceiling board made from particle boards, perforated or semi-perforated particle boards, etc. All the ceiling boards are screwed with the wooden framework from bottom space so that it can be easily removable for maintenance purpose. The entire false ceiling can be painted suitably to match with the interior space created. Sometimes commercial ply is also used for covering the false ceiling framework instead of standard ceiling board. Next, false ceiling with GI galvanized iron framework. The detailing of this type of framework is exactly similar to that of wooden framed false ceiling. Only instead of wooden framework, we are using metallic channel false framework, GI channel, for this purpose. Compared to the wooden, it is quite cheaper, but As far as finishing is concerned, for wooden frame false ceiling, we can achieve better finish. Then false ceiling with aluminium framework and stainless steel framework. These are called exposed grid false ceiling. A false ceiling, a framework has been made with aluminium sections like aluminium angles, aluminium main tees, and aluminium cross tees. Aluminium angles of 25 mm by 25 mm size have been fixed on the peripheral walls. Aluminium main tees have been placed in the shorter direction of the room at the rate 600 mm center to center. And the frame is hanging with MS hanger from the main ceiling at 1200 mm apart. Cross tees have been interlocked with the main tees at 600 mm apart so that the entire space has been divided into grids of size 600 mm by 600 mm. Standard ceiling boards have been placed above the aluminium framework so that the frame grids are exposed. This type of aluminium framed false ceiling is very light in structure, good looking and easy maintenance. Normally, the aluminium framework is anodized in natural color. Sometimes it may be powder coated in different colors. Ceiling boards are painted in white color or any suitable color to match with the interior space created. Light fittings or air conditioning grills may be inserted into any grid by replacing the ceiling boards of the respective grid. Any adjustment in grid dimension should be done at the end grids as per site condition. Stainless steel framed false ceiling is exactly similar to this. Now, metallic channel false ceiling. This is a special type of false ceiling made of approximately 100 mm wide channels connecting with each other and with a track which is suspended from the ceiling. The channels may be made of either stainless steel or aluminium. The channels are either perforated or solid type. The connecting track is suspended from the main ceiling by MS hangers at 1200 mm apart. This type of ceiling is used to cover larger spaces. This is also light type false ceiling and the metallic channels are available in pre-coated colors. The length of channels are varying from 1800 mm to 2400 mm depending on the respective manufacturer's detail. This type of metallic channel false ceiling should be constructed at site as per standard manufacturer's detail. One of the reputed manufacturer is Luxolon, but there are many other manufacturers who are making this type of metallic channel false ceiling. Thank you.